In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the OpenAI server status to troubleshoot potential issues that might arise. Whether you're trying to sign up or simply access a service, knowing how to identify and resolve any hitches is crucial. So let's dive in. First and foremost, let's begin by checking the OpenAI server status. This is your initial checkpoint. Whenever you suspect a service disruption or encounter any functionality issues, head over to status.openai.com. This website will provide you with up-to-date information about any ongoing server outages or maintenance activities. Here, OpenAI posts details about current incidents, helping you determine whether the problem you're facing is related to their server. If you find that there is indeed a major outage or that maintenance is underway, patience will be key as you wait for OpenAI to resolve the issue. Now, if the server status seems clear, but you're still experiencing difficulties, the next step is to clear your browser's cache and cookies. Over time, your browser accumulates a lot of data, and this can sometimes interfere with how websites function. Open your web browser, be it Chrome, Safari, Edge, or any other. Navigate to Settings, then delve into the Privacy section. Here, you'll want to select the option to clear browsing data, focusing specifically on cookies and cached files. Once you've cleared this data, it's crucial to restart your browser to ensure these changes take effect. After doing so, try signing up or accessing the service once again to see if the problem has been resolved. If clearing the cache and cookies doesn't do the trick, it's time to switch things up by trying a different browser or device. Browsers can occasionally have unique issues that prevent certain sites from functioning properly. If you're currently using Chrome, consider switching to Firefox, Edge, or Safari. Alternatively, if access problems persist on your current device, such as a PC, test it out on another device, perhaps your smartphone, or vice versa. This can help you determine whether the problem is browser-specific or device-specific and might even solve the issue altogether. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to identify and potentially solve any access issues related to OpenAI services. Checking the server status, clearing your browser's cache and cookies, and switching browsers or devices are all effective strategies to try before seeking additional support. These steps ensure you're tackling potential problems from all angles. If issues persist even after trying these methods, reaching out to OpenAI support for further assistance would be a wise next course of action. Thanks for watching, and I trust this guide has empowered you with the knowledge to navigate these technical challenges confidently.